Hello everyone. So in the previous video, you learned how you can create and how you can call subroutines into your master tool project. In this example, I'm gonna show you how we can call these subroutines through some condition. So here on my example, I have two subroutines. One is called add number and the other is called subnumber. I also have a global variable list, which you don't know what a global variable list is yet, and you will learn in the future videos. But here on this DVL, I have a variable called subnumber, and it's an int. And basically what I'm doing on my add number and subnumber subroutines is that in the add number, I am adding 10 to my variable called subnumber, and on the subnumber, I am subtracting 10 on my subnumber, and both are executing this action every 1 second. So what I'm gonna do is I have these two subroutines, and I'm gonna call these two subroutines on my user PRD. I'm going to do this and click on my toolbox and expand the post sections. I'm going to call add number and subnumber. I have two variables to enable these two subroutines called enable routine and enable routine 2. So enable routine will enable my add number routine, and my enable routine 2 is going to enable my subnumber routine. Okay, now I can log in so you can check the output. Let's start. So if I enable my add number routine, I will have a value 10 being added to my subnumber variable every 1 second. And if I enable my subnumber routine, I will just subtract the value 10 of my variable subnumber every 1 second too. So let's check it. So I'm going to enable my routine. So I'm going to write the true value on my enable routine variable. Okay, so now my add number is being executed. I can click on my add number routine so I can see what is inside. You can see here I have a pulse of 1 second. It's an internal variable of master tool which will pulse every 1 second. So you can see here every 1 second I add 10 to my GVL subnumber. You can see here on the GVL the value is being added. Now I'm going to write false on the same variable. Okay, now you see here it has the static value, and now I can enable my second routine. So when I enable the subnumber routine, I will subtract 10 of my subnumber every 1 second. So with this example, you see that I can conditionate some routine calls through my enable parameter when I call the subroutine from my toolbox.